Ever wondered how to grow your own artichokes from store-bought ones? Today, we dive into the captivating world of home gardening, exploring the ins and outs of cultivating these delightful thistles. Stay tuned to learn how to make your garden thrive with homegrown artichokes. First, you need to choose the right artichoke. A healthy, fresh artichoke is key. Look for one that feels firm to the touch and boasts a vibrant green color. Once you've picked the perfect artichoke, you're ready to start the growing process. Now let's get your artichoke ready for planting. Start by gently removing the outer leaves, revealing the heart. Then soak it in water overnight to hydrate and kickstart growth. With your artichoke prepared, it's time to plant. Planting and caring for your artichoke is a straightforward process. Simply nestle your prepared artichoke into a hole about 6 inches deep in well-draining soil. Ensure it gets full sun and keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Patience is key here, as artichokes are slow growers. You'll see a full plant in about 4 months, and they're ready to harvest when the buds are firm and about 2 to 5 inches in diameter. With proper care, your artichoke will be ready to harvest in no time. Growing your own artichokes is a rewarding experience. We've learned how to choose, prepare, plant, and care for our store-bought artichokes. It's simple and fulfilling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.